Hiya loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I had to make one singular video about this because I was as flabbergasted as you will be when you find out. I managed to get a pair of Thinx period pants on the Boots reduced shelf for £5. £5. I'm as shocked as you are, trust me. I basically found them like without any packaging. They were just in like a plastic sleeve with the sort of Thinx cardboard label on the inside, and that was it. And it had a reduced sticker on it saying £6 and then another one saying £5. Now bearing in mind like the standard pants that you can buy from Boots that are Thinx, I think they're like £17 something, like just short of £18 basically. So I was like, I'm sorry, what? This is a bargain. The one thing that you're probably going to be like, whoa, Becca, did you really do this? There was no size written on any of the packaging. So I was like, right, this is a bit of potluck really. If they're not my size, they're not my size. But if they are, then great, because I've just got a pair of period pants for £5. Anyway, I thought I'd show you what I got because I'm rather excited. As you guys know, I am a massive fan of Modibodi. I've done many Modibodi reviews and I absolutely love their products. I love their ethos as a company. I don't know very much about Thinx if I'm honest, but we'll find out a little bit more. Let me show you the pants. Oh, classic black. They've got a really nice sort of elasticated waist, which I enjoy. I kind of like these. They're a little bit more like a boxer, if that makes sense. They look like pair of boxers basically. So just on the inside there, I found out that they are a size small. They are brief to they're brief to moderate. No, they're a brief and they're moderate absorbency. They're made from organic cotton, and in there as well it has the wash details, which is great. So that's basically all the information that that you would need about period pants. They aren't quite as thick as the moderate Modibodi pants that I've got, so I thought that's quite interesting. Like, I'm intrigued to wear them and see what they're like. But that being said, I really like this this shape. I just think they're going to be quite comfortable. They seem to have like a little bit of a higher waist, which, as you know, I'm a big fan of. Let's have a look at the packaging. So this was literally came inside that. This was sort of wrapping it all up. So basically on the back of the packaging, or cardboard sleeve, you've got all the information about basically what they do. I really like the fact that they've got little pictures of like tampons, moon cups, pads, that kind of thing. I think it's really good. It says this pair of, and it's got an actual picture of knickers, has 4 key qualities. They're 1, moisture wicking, 2, antimicrobial, 3, absorbent, and 4, leak resistant. Well, I'll be the judge of that. In other words, they're period proof. Each pair you buy also helps girls in the developing world. Oh wow, I love that. I had no idea. You know what? It's actually got the website there. Learn more at shethinx.com. That's she thinks with a X, not KS.com. I'm really intrigued by this brand. Like I said, I know very little about them, but I just want to find out more now, and I'm really liking this pair of pants so far. I have given them a wash, as I do with all of my period pants before I use them. It does tend to get the absorbency working the way it should be, and then when you wear them, they will be, hopefully, leak-free and wonderful to wear and comfortable when you're on your period. If anyone that is watching this is a little bit like me, sometimes you have like random bleeds in the middle of the month. It's normal. For anybody watching this, it is completely normal to experience that. But sometimes it can really sort of knock your confidence. It can knock your mood. I know it does with me. Definitely. So I think sometimes having pants like this where, you know, it's for moderate absorbency for those lighter days, or maybe on the days where you're spotting, I think it just boosts you a little bit. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm actually going to start wearing them a lot more, even when I'm not on my period. But yeah. Anyway, that was my find, and I can't believe they were £5. Unreal. Unreal. I'm so buzzing. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you've found any period pan bargains recently. I would love to know. And finally, subscribe to my channel. I'm absolutely buzzing that we're nearly at 200 subscribers. That is really, really lovely. And you know, who knows, we might get there before the end of the month. But if we don't, c'est la vie. I'm just making these because I enjoy them. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all very soon. Mwah! See you later.